Toyota has introduced the updated 2027 Tundra with revised exterior styling, new technology, and the addition of the Trailhunter package. The redesigned front end features a sharper appearance with a new grille design, updated lighting, and rectangular fog lights. The new Trailhunter package is based on the SR5 grade and adds Michelin LTX Trail tires, an Old Man Emu suspension, front recovery hooks, additional underbody protection, bronze-colored wheels, and off-road features, including multi-terrain select, crawl control, and a locking rear differential. Inside, every 2027 Tundra now comes standard with a 14-inch Toyota Audio Multimedia display, built-in drive recorder dash cam, digital key enhancements, and Toyota Safety Sense 4. Additional specifications and pricing for the 2027 Toyota Tundra are scheduled to be announced in fall 2026.